So they say if your brand is not visible in 2025, then you don't exist. The digital landscape has changed, and brand awareness is no longer just about showing up. It is about dominating the space. But how do brands go from being an option to being the only choice? Today, we are diving deep into the power of digital brand awareness and the strategies that are reshaping the market as we know it. My name is Becky Bowman. I'm the founder of Jashugat Media with over 2 decades in digital marketing and brand strategy. I've helped businesses build recognition and turn visibility into profitability. And today, I'm sharing the most cutting-edge strategies to help you own your space in 2025. So why does digital brand awareness matter in 2025? Brand awareness isn't just about recognition anymore. It's about embedding your brand into consumers' consciousness. Research shows that 82% of consumers chose familiar brands over competitors. So think about it. When you need running shoes, do you go for a no-name brand or Nike? That's the power of recognition. And it doesn't happen by chance. It happens through strategic, intentional branding. And here's the harsh truth. If your brand isn't being seen consistently across multiple platforms, you are essentially invisible. Studies show that consumers need 5 to 7 brand interactions before they remember you. That means showing up on Google, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more is no longer optional. It's the cost of entry. So what are the strategies to build digital brand dominance? First, data-driven storytelling. Winning brands use data to tell better stories. Netflix and Spotify personalize recommendations based on user behavior, increasing engagement by 50%. If you are not leveraging customer insights to personalize your content, you are missing out. Next, micro-influencer marketing. Nano and micro-influencer marketing drive 3.2% higher engagement than celebrities. South African brand beauty SA Cosmetics saw a 210% sales increase just by collaborating with small, authentic content creators. Next in line is immersive experience design. Brands using AR and VR aren't just selling, they are engaging. IKEA's AR shopping app boosted sales by 22%, while Gucci's virtual tries-on cuts return by 40%. Another key strategy is social commerce integration. Social media is no longer just for engagement. It is a sales channel. TikTok Shop and Instagram Checkout now account for 18% of global e-commerce transactions. And we can't forget SEO and algorithmic visibility. Google Search Generative Experience, or SEG, prioritizes experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. This essentially means that brands ranking highest are those combining thought leadership with SEO. Finally, ethical data utilization. 64% of consumers will abandon brands that misuse their data. L'Oreal Skin Genius tool boosted opt-ins by 73% just by offering value-first personalization. Ethical data use is no longer optional. It is essential. So here's a playbook for digital market dominance. If you want to become a winning brand in 2025, follow these 3 core principles. You need omni-channel cohesion. You need to sync your SEO, social media, and retail strategies with a unified customer data platform. You need to have agile innovation. You need to stay ahead by rapidly testing new formats like AI-generated content and voice search optimization. You need trust-centric growth. Build communities, not just followers. Prioritize ethical engagement and data transparency. By 2026, brands that fail to evolve will lose 40% of the market share to digital-first competitors. The time to act is now. Visibility is no longer optional. It is the foundation of success in a winner-takes-all digital economy. So let me know, which of these strategies are you currently using in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. Your brand's future is not decided by luck. It is shaped by strategy. Time to dominate your space is now. Let's make 2025 your year of digital brand success. See you in the next episode.